Today we're going to make this cute little truck with pumpkins that will stand up on its own. So I have two pieces of the truck glued together, which is almost a ½ inch. And then I've got a little piece of fence to go on the front. And I just used some Waverly stain. And then the little truck tires, I used Apple Barrel black. And now I'm just taping off so I can paint. I used a medium, like dusty blue, and I just did a couple coats of that. You don't have to get it perfect down below because your tires will go over the top. And then I just took some chalk paint and cottage white and painted the inner parts of the tire. Now I'm just going to use this pumpkin spice orange on the pumpkins. And then I took some light coral and I shaded my pumpkins and then some burnt umber on the other side to give them dimension. And I just took some lighter blue and I'm shading parts of the truck, and I'm also using some burnt umber. You don't have to do that part if you don't want to. Now I'm just taking my sponge that had the white and I'm shading around the tires. And also I'm taking some black and white and shading the fence. Now I'm going to glue 2 tires on the front, and then I will glue the other 2 tires on the back, and then also the fence. I was just shading a little more, and then I did take a little bit of paint, black paint, and make a handle. And then I took my toothbrush and splattered some black and white on the front. Have a great day.